Tikas, boss, tikas.
Kuya tayo to.
Chairman natin dito, Dagger Lespo. Yun na, sinabi namin sa kanya. Siguro na sinabi ko sa kanya. Pagkakit na natin.
Walang tulugan. Papailaw ka na naman?
Oo.
Ayun.
Balik tayo ulit, balik.
Balik. Ayan, magandang kaibigan. Engineer Randy Sadak po.
Hindi namin kayo mahabol. Lagi kami kapos. Oo.
Lahat ng exit, lahat ng exit. Tulong yes. Sige, welcome sa mga. Message delivered. Okay. Sa tuloy-tuloy lang. Yes, sir. So, tsagay lang natin ang konti. Lagyan, yun na. Your presence, Mr. Wala pa tayong ginagawa. Just your presence. Mag-ingat kayo. Ingat, pare.
Matay mo yan. Matay.
Mag-ingat kayo, ha? Luzon.
Walang pa tayo din.
Yung swak natin. Wala silang... Hindi na. Well, as you can see, double purpose to, no? Since I ordered and requested Lionel to help us resolve the garbage crisis in the city of Manila, we went around. So far, I can honestly assess for the past 8 hours, we are about 50-55% in just one day with regard to garbage crisis in the city. But as we speak, we continue to collect garbage as many as we can. And I've seen some places like Rizal Avenue, both sides, boundary sa Arpapa. and Wanluna, Kapulong, and some other areas, no, na mayroon pantambak ng basura. But generally, marami ng area nakuha thanks to Lionel, free of charge. But in the same manner, more than the cleanliness of our city, yung pinangako nating kapanatagan na may bibigay sa ating mga kababayan. Through the leadership of General Guzman, our district director, and the men and women uniform personnel of the MP, ito, naglagay na kami ng cordon. O base na rin, kung maalala ninyo, nag-abiso dati about 2 weeks ago, si General Torre, ng Chief PNP, ng mga police must be present in the street, in the community. Ito hindi lang daytime, in also nighttime here in the city of Manila. And if you go around through the direction of General Guzman, most of the major thoroughfares and some streets in Manila with regard to entry and exit within our jurisdiction, makikita ng ating mga mamamayan yung presensya ng Manila Police District. And those PCPs are precincts in their respective community. Gagalaw ang lahat. So in line with that directive, the local government of Manila trying to sink in our action with regard to peace and order sa direktiba rin ng national government. So dito nagkakasundo kami in thoughts, in action, and siyempre yung ating mga kababayan sa lungsod more than anything else. In our own little way, with the help of the Manila Police District, mapapanatag yung kalooban nila. Kanina nga doon sa Arten nakangiti na yung mga truck driver. Dahil siguro magdadalawang isip na yung mga akyat truck doon. Sinabi ko naman sa kanila, bilang na yung panahon ng alakak nila It's either umimar sila ng malamig na bakal o umiyak sila dahil ihohoyo talaga namin yung mga yan. We will not tolerate. In fact, meron kaming ginagawa ngayon. Kinukuha namin yung mga past months, lalo na yung last year, na mga krimen sa Maynila na nakuha na ng CCTV. And maybe, ang feeling nila, nakaligtas sila, you cannot escape the long arm of the law. We will implement things. Doon sa mga nabiktima, sa nakaraan, at hindi pa kayo nakatikim ng hustisya, through the leadership of General Guzman, the men and women, officers and police of Manila, we'll do our best to keep the city orderly and to create certainty in the city. Kung manatag po kayo, kinakailangan din namin matulog, then so be it. Loobin naman ng Diyos na bigyan kami ng lakas ng pangangatawa. But I'm happy with General Guzman through his leadership.
Actually, Yorme, this is the first time na surprisingly nag-visit po kayo dito sa iba't ibang lugar ng
First time ko rin kasi nag-assume kaninang tanghali. Sa Maynila, nung panahon ko nung una kong termino, sanay na yung mga taga-lungsod. Kaya nga pinipilit ko maibalik na sila'y matutulog ng mahimbing. At pati ang mga anak nilang umuwi, kanina kita mo, yung binati ko nga doon, mga galing sa trabaho, we'll try to do our best in our own little way. It's not going to be perfect, but I assure you, may gobyerno sa Maynila 24 oras. The least thing that we can do in our own little way.
Sir Jomer Apresto po from GMA. Sir,
Sure.
kararating ko lang, sorry.
So, it's okay.
Ang tanong ko, sir, paano po yung gagawin dun sa mga basura? Kailan po natin i-expect na malilinis na yung bawat
Ang assessment namin in just matter of 8 hours, no? Yung portans na nakakalat based on conservative assessment in terms of volume. I think naka 55% na kami. But there's still some pulo-pulo o isla-islang basura. But rest assured, Lionel will not stop. as we speak, no, still collecting all those garbage.
So
And
Lionel na sir.
hopefully, ang tansya namin mga 3 days, babalik na sa normalization. No, hopefully. But we'll cross the bridge when we get there. But for the meantime, General Guzman and I and some members of city government, we saw some areas pa rin na may pulo-pulo pa rin ang basura.
Sir, meron na po ba tayong napiling garbage collector?
Wala pa. Bukas hihingi pa tayo ng otoridad sa Konseho ng Maynila. We will do it legally. While I'm empowered under Section 16 of the Local Government Code, I don't want to abuse that section. We'll try to do the process. But for the meantime, pinagpapasalamat ko na rin sa Lionel. Walang tosgas ngayong araw na ito. At hindi naman sa you can go around. Medyo maaliwalas na, no, na babawasan na. But I wanted to do faster kasi baka pag bumagsak yung ulan, dadaluyong na naman yung basura. Yun ang hinahabol ko. But I think 2-3 days from now, we'll release an executive order directing our city engineering office na kalikutin lahat ng imbornal ng lungsod. No? Kasi yung ibang basura, sumama na eh. So we will do that. For the meantime, yun nasa ibabaw, bago abutan ng ulan. Pag nakakuha yung solid materials, sa ibabaw, papasok naman kami sa ilalim ng lupa.
So, Yormes, when is the next day naman? Nakasama yung media para, yun nga po.
Ay, ayoko naman na itip sa inyo Basta, I do want to do this randomly. But I'm happy you guys being here dahil at least nakakatulong namin kayong i-communicate in our own little way with our policemen, members of the city government na may gobyerno na ulit sa lungsod ng Maynila. We'll do our best. I cannot promise you heaven and earth. It's going to be turbulent, physically, but may awa ang Diyos. Kaya nga laging God first may awa ang Diyos, makakaraosin tayo. Okay, see you Ingat kayo. Ito nakahabol. Kanina nag-discover na kami. Nagpaligo na kami sa top copy nyo. Bloke yun gagawin. Sige, papaano ko kayo kay Cesar. Okay. Bukas, if you have time bukas, we will sleep Kawawa din ang taong bayan. If I put you in the situation, anong iisipin ng tao? Mamaho yung loob ng bahay niya o mamaho yung kalsada? So it is the fault of the government. So we must do our job. In this case, we will catch up. This is my, I think, less than 12 hours in office. We will catch up with the shortcomings of the city government of Manila. We will make sure of that. We'll move heaven and earth. But I cannot do it alone. We need people to do the same and in sync with the direction. To keep the peace and order situation of the city, cleanliness at maalis ulit ang kalibutan. Karoon ulit ang gobyerno sa Luzon.
So, nabanggit ko may utang ang lokal na pamahalaan din sa mga garbage collector.
Bayarin.
Nasa magkano, sir?
950 million. From 561 from Lionel na hindi na kinaya. Itong ginawa nilang bago, hindi na kinaya. Mga 400 million. So I'll state all those things tomorrow in full details during the inaugural session of the City Council and my inaugural stating the situation, or inaugural speech, stating the situation fiscally of our city government.
Sir,
I'll see you tomorrow.
PhilEco Metro is wala na.
Wala na. Nagkaroon na sila, hindi na nila kinaya. You have to give it to them. Hindi naman sila nababayaran din, katulad ng lunes. Hindi rin kakayanin naman. Maawa ka rin naman. May mga empleyado rin silang pinasusuldo. Pero at our expense, sa kapabayaan ng ibang tao. And not to point fingers, just do our job. The people deserve better things from the government.
Last na lang, Mayor.
Sure.
Yung paghahakot ng basura, araw-araw po pang gagawin or there is a specific
No,
time?
when we acquire, or going to acquire services or hauling services, it's a daily thing. Like what Lionel is doing in the past. Even hindi pa ako mayor, ganun din naman ang ginagawa nung araw. We'll try to bring normalcy in our garbage collection. Hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Thank you, Mayor.
Scared na ako.
Ngayon,